Good morning, friends. Today's class is it is important, and whenever we want to develop any web applications, we should have some database. And here, using JSP or using servlets, we are using MySQL as the database. It is a open source. Before executing database, we need to do certain things. Once you observe the screen, and before executing database, we need to use sorry, once again, before executing database, we need to do the certain steps. These steps are common for JSP as well as the servlets. Step 1, download MySQL connector jar file. It is a open source, because when you want to connect any database, we should have some connector file that is related. For example, if you are using Oracle as the database, it has some Oracle option, and like that it has some particular options. And download MySQL connector.jar file. After that, here I am using NetBeans as the database. Create the project using create the project. Go to new project, Java web application, select Apache as the Tomcat server, click on finish. After creating the project, you need to right click on the libraries, click on add jar file, click on add jar file. Now select the downloaded jar file and click on OK. This file is nothing but this connector.jar file. And after that, after adding jar file also, you need to do one more modification. Right click on newly added jar file, go to edit, change the source to, again select, change the source. Now you need to select the same jar file path. That means we need to add two times. First we need to add the jar file. After that, again we need to change the source path. After that, now next step, write the program and execute the program. And one more important thing we need to do before executing any database programs, we need to start the MySQL server. Here anyhow we are using XAMPP as the data for a MySQL. Open XAMPP, start MySQL server. Start MySQL server. Now after starting the MySQL server, create the database and tables accordingly. Create the database accordingly. That means everyone has their own requirements. Accordingly, we need to create the tables as well as database. After this, here, according to the lab and theory also, we have some, I created two different tables. One is users table, second one is calculator table. Users name contains two columns. One is username, second one is password. Both are character type. And calculator table, number one is the integer type, number two is the integer type, OPT is the character type, result is the integer type. Here I taken four different columns and table name is calculator. Here two different columns, table name is users. And steps to execute the database programs: import the required packages. This is the first step we need to do. Import required packages, and that is nothing but by default we need some java.sql driver manager and com.mysql.jdbc.connection object, com.mysql.jdbc.prepare statement. These are the some required packages. Step 1, import required packages. Step 2, create driver. Here for creating driver, class dot for name is equals to our particular driver name, which we are downloaded earlier, com.mysql.jdbc.driver, com.mysql.jdbc.driver. Class dot for name is equals to com.mysql.jdbc.driver. Next up, create the connection object through the driver manager. D is the capital letter, M is the capital letter. It is a built-in class which we are imported earlier. Next, connection space connection object name con is equals to driver manager dot get connection. Within that, we take some particular argument, JDBC colon, MySQL colon, host name, and port number and database name. JDBC driver, MySQL is the database, host name that may be either in the local host or that may be either in the server. And this is the port number for the MySQL. And this is the database name. And after that, database user ID, database user password. Connection, con is equals to driver manager dot get connection, host name, as well as user ID, password. Next, create the prepared statement object. Next step is create the prepared statement object. Prepared statement PS is equals to con dot connection object dot prepared statement. Within the brackets, we need to place SQL query. That may be any query we can